My dear friend, let me start with a question that may feel a little uncomfortable, but I ask it with love and truth. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel the stiffness in your knees, the heaviness in your legs, or that quiet weakness in your body that whispers, move slowly, be careful, hold on to something? If you're over 60, these are not random signs. These are messages from your body telling you that certain muscles are fading, your balance is changing, and your independence may slowly be slipping without you even noticing. But here's the hope, and it's powerful. Your body is not giving up on you. It is simply asking for the right movements. Not hours in the gym, not heavy weights, not complicated routines, just 3 simple daily exercises that can help you stay strong, move pain-free, protect your joints, and hold on to your freedom for many years to come. And the beauty of this? You can do every single one of them right in your living room in less than 10 minutes. If you stay with me until the end of this video, my friend, you will walk away with the confidence to rebuild your strength, restore your balance, and reclaim the way you move through life. So take a breath, relax your shoulders, and let me guide you through something truly life-changing. Before we begin, here is your powerful hook, because you deserve the truth. Did you know that after the age of 60, your body naturally loses up to 3% of muscle every single year, unless you do something about it? That means every year without strength work makes walking harder, bending painful, carrying groceries difficult, and getting out of a chair feel like a struggle. But the good news, the life-changing news, is that just 3 intentional movements a day can slow, stop, and even reverse that decline. Yes, reverse it. Research proves it. Thousands of seniors have experienced it. And now today, you are going to experience the same awakening in your body. Let's begin. Exercise 1 is the heart of independence. Sit to stand. My friend, if there is one movement that can predict how long you stay independent, how safely you move, and how strong your life remains, it is this one. Think about how many times you stand every single day, from your sofa, from your dining chair, from your car, from the edge of your bed. Every one of these movements uses the same essential muscles, your quadriceps, your glutes, and your core. But when these muscles weaken, a dangerous pattern begins. Instead of standing with strength, you start standing with momentum. You rock forward, you push off the armrests, you grab your thighs, your knees strain, your back jolts, and suddenly, something as simple as standing becomes stressful for your joints and exhausting for your body. But today, we take that power back. Here's how you do it with strength and safety. Sit near the edge of a sturdy chair with your feet flat and slightly behind your knees. Lean forward with a straight back, breathe in, and then press your heels into the floor as you rise. Think of lifting yourself with dignity, not rushing, not rocking, just pure strength. As you stand tall, gently squeeze your glutes, then lower yourself slowly, controlling every inch. The lowering phase builds more strength than the rising phase, so don't rush it. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions 3 times a week. Soon you'll feel your legs respond. Soon you'll stand taller. Soon you'll find yourself rising with ease instead of struggle. A major study found that seniors who practiced this movement for just 8 weeks gained up to 30% more lower body strength and reported less knee pain and more confidence. Imagine yourself feeling that same confidence. Imagine standing effortlessly again. You deserve that feeling. Now let's move to exercise 2, wall push-ups. After 60, upper body strength decreases faster than lower body strength, and the shoulders are often the first joints to complain. You may notice difficulty reaching, lifting, carrying, or stabilizing yourself when getting in and out of a car or bathtub. Weak shoulders lead to poor posture. Poor posture leads to neck pain, back pain, and reduced balance. But wall push-ups are the safest, simplest, and most powerful solution. Stand facing a wall, place your hands flat at shoulder level, step your feet back slightly and form a straight line from head to heels. Breathe in as you bend your elbows, lowering toward the wall, and breathe out as you push yourself back. This movement strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core. It's gentle, controlled, and perfectly suited for seniors of all fitness levels. And the benefits go beyond strength. This exercise improves posture, reduces shoulder stiffness, enhances balance, and increases confidence in your daily movements. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. Move slowly, move with intention, move like you are rebuilding your body from the inside out, because you are. Now we come to the final exercise, one of the most powerful yet underrated movements for seniors, standing march with arm swings. This is not just a march, this is a full body awakening. This exercise boosts heart health, strengthens your hips, improves posture, increases coordination, and challenges your balance, all at once. And balance, my friend, is one of the most important skills you can protect. A loss of balance is one of the top reasons seniors lose independence. But you will not let that happen to you. Stand tall, lift one knee, swing the opposite arm, and march rhythmically. You can hold a chair lightly if you need support. As your knee lifts, your core engages. As your arms swing, your upper body activates. And as your legs alternate, your balance improves with every step. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that simple marching exercises significantly reduce the risk of falls and improve overall stability in adults over 60. That means fewer stumbles, more confidence, and a stronger, more capable body. This exercise also stimulates blood flow, wakes up your cardiovascular system, and energizes your body in a way that walking alone cannot. If walking feels tiring, marching is perfect. If walking feels too easy, marching still strengthens muscles that walking doesn't. Start with 1 to 2 minutes. Build slowly. You are not in a race. Your only competition is yesterday's version of yourself. And today, you win. My friend, these 3 exercises, sit to stand, wall push-ups, and standing march, are like the 3 pillars of mobility, freedom, and independence. When you do them consistently, even just 3 to 4 times a week, something magical happens. Stiffness fades, movement becomes smoother, your posture straightens, your confidence returns, your body begins to work with you, not against you. And the small signals, the morning stiffness, the difficulty lifting a bag, the hesitation when stepping onto uneven ground, those signs begin to fade. You start moving with ease again. You start feeling like yourself again. Let me speak to your heart for a moment. Growing older does not mean growing weaker. Your strength is not gone, it is simply waiting to be reawakened. Your balance is not lost, it is simply waiting to be trained. Your independence is not disappearing, it is simply waiting for you to take action. You are not fragile, you are not finished, you are not fading. You are capable, strong, intelligent, and powerful. But your body needs your consistency. These small movements, repeated week after week, rebuild years of lost strength. They restore your foundation. They bring back the confidence you thought was gone forever. You see, it's not about perfection. It's not about doing everything right the first time. It's about showing up. It's about moving with intention, with love, with purpose. Every repetition is a gift you give your future self. Every march strengthens the legs that will carry you into your 70s, your 80s, and beyond. Every push-up protects your shoulders, your spine, your posture, and your freedom. You have the power to choose strength. You have the power to reverse weakness. You have the power to build a body that supports you, not just today, but every day ahead. So let me ask you gently but firmly, are you ready to do this for yourself? Are you ready to give your body the attention it deserves? Are you ready to stay strong, move pain-free, and hold on to your independence with pride? If yes, then start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Your body will thank you, your future will thank you, and you will feel the difference faster than you imagine. Before we close, I want to challenge you for your own growth. In the comments, type "I'm ready" if you're prepared to begin these exercises. Type "I will try" if you plan to start this week. And if this message helped you, even in a small way, please consider subscribing to the Seniors Hub so you never miss a single tip designed to help you live stronger, move better, and stay independent. My friend, you deserve strength, you deserve freedom, you deserve a body that supports you, not limits you. I believe in you. Now it is time for you to believe in you too. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for taking care of your health. And thank you for choosing a future filled with movement, confidence, and vitality. Until next time, stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward.